uh, from after first para, in earlier passage, we read that when Peggy and Maddie came to know that Petronskis were out of city and now Wanda was not going to come more to the school. So after knowing this, both half friends realized their fault and they were sorrowful from their heart. And then they decided to go to the home of the Wanda and further to tell her that their sole purpose was behind the fun was not to make fun at her. उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि बताएंगे कि उनका जो मेन पर्पस था मजाक के पीछे, उसका यह पर्पस नहीं था कि वो उसका मजाक बनाए, बट दे यूज्ड टू मेक fun of her names and Wanda and her dresses only for just amusement as a friend. And further they decided to go to Wanda and tell sorry for their rough behavior towards her. So they reached, but they did not find anybody, even a single sign of life in the room or building of the Wanda Petronsky. Now further, at the page number 76, there was no doubt about it, the Petronskis were gone. How could they ever make amends? When they reached, they found that no family member of Petronskis was there. Now both of the friend Maddie and Peggy were sorrowful, extremely sorry in their heart, because now they were totally unable to tell Wanda and to speak Wanda sorry for their rough behavior, to show repentance for their rough behavior before the Wanda. इसमें एक वर्ड है मेड दे एवा मेक अमेंड्स. मेक अमेंड का मतलब होता है कि जब आप कोई फॉल्ट किसी के साथ कर देते हो और उसके बाद जाकर उसे सॉरी बोलते हो, अपने बिहेव में कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट लाना चाहते हो, सॉरी बोलना चाहते हो, उसे रियलाइज करना चाहते हो कि नहीं मुझसे फॉल्ट हुई है, दैट वर्ड इज कॉल्ड मेक अमेंड. आप अपने फ्रेंड से पहले गलती हो जाती है फिर सॉरी बोलते हो, देयर यू मेक अमेंड बिफोर हिम. सुधार, पछतावा कर लेना, दैट इज कॉल्ड मेक अमेंड. सो that was the now purpose of the Wanda, Maddie and Peggy, but the Wanda's Petronsky's family had gone to another city, so both were unable in finding them. They turned slowly and made their way back down the hill. They means Maddie and Peggy. Not finding Petronsky's in their home, they started to be back to their home from the hillside. यानी यहाँ गए थे वांडा के घर, वहां पे वांडा को न पा करके अब वे क्या किए कि वापस आने लगे. Well, anyway, said Peggy, she has gone now. So what can we do? Besides, when I was asking her about all her dresses, she probably was getting good ideas for her drawing. She might not even have won the contest otherwise. Now, when they did not find Wanda at their home, then they started to return back, and during becoming back on the way, Peggy started to give some arguments before Maddie in reference to the rough behavior towards the Wanda from the side of the Peggy. यानी पेगी जो बुरा व्यवहार वांडा के साथ की थी, उसके लिए पेगी ने क्या किया कि अब मेडी के सामने सफाई देने लगी. चूंकि वांडा को तो नहीं पा सकी कि सॉरी बोले, तो इसलिए वो जो है मेडी के सामने सफाई दे रही है. व्हाट वाज clarification being given? That Peggy said to Maddie that If she had not made fun of Wanda in pretend to the 100 dresses, then she would not have won the competition of the drawing, because reason is being given from the side of Peggy that Peggy was making fun at Wanda for her 100 dresses. Then during her fun, Wanda was busy in making pictures of the 100 dresses, and due to the making fun at the Wanda related in relation to the 100 dresses, Wanda could be able to draw the 100 sketches of the different color and different clothes of the 100 dresses. यानी पेगी अब मेडी से कह रही है कि कोई बात नहीं, नहीं मिली ठीक है, थोड़ा हमने रफ बिहेव किया, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं जब मैं वांडा से मजाक कर रहा था तो उसी मजाक की देन है कि वांडा जो है वो ये 100 ड्रेसेस की डिफरेंट ड्राइंग बना सकी, क्योंकि यदि मैं मजाक न की होती तो शायद उस 100 ड्रेसेस का स्केच जो है उसके माइंड में नहीं आया होता, और जब उसके माइंड में नहीं आया होता तो 100 ड्रेसेस का स्केच नहीं बना सकती थी, और जब नहीं बना सकती थी तो फिर कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता था और वो कंपटीशन भी नहीं जीत पाती. I think everything is clear to all of you. Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head, for if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. Now, after hearing the argument from the side of Peggy, Maddie did not care towards that argument, did not care to that argument from the side of Peggy, because if any result of that argument of the Peggy would have come, then that was the subject matter of thinking. But Maddie was knowing very well that there was no chance and no relationship, no connection between the fun from the side of Peggy and the winning of the drawing competition from the side of Wanda. यानी जब पेगी कही कि मेरे वजह से, मेरे मजाक की वजह से वो 100 ड्रेसेस बनाना सीख सकी, तो यह आइडिया मेडी को पसंद नहीं आया और इस बात को उसने नजरअंदाज करने का कोशिश किया. क्यों? क्योंकि वो जानती थी कि इसका उल्टा सीधा रफ बिहेवियर, मजाक करना वांडा से और वांडा का कंपटीशन जीतना, इन दोनों का कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. यदि कोई कनेक्शन होता तो शायद मेडी उसका कनेक्शन करती, उस चीज से सोचती उसके बारे में, लेकिन ऐसा था नहीं, इसलिए इस बात को वो अनसुना अनदेखा कर दी, ध्यान नहीं दिया मेडी ने. But that night she could not get to sleep. But Maddie was so sorrowful about Wanda that she could not take good sleep, even a little bit sleep on that night, when she came to know that Wanda had departure to the other city with her family. She thought about Wanda, her faded blue dresses, and the little house she had lived in. Maddie was continuously thinking, meditating about Wanda, her home, her house, etc., etc. And she thought of the glowing picture those 100 dresses made, all lined up in the classroom. At last, Maddie sat up in bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. Whole night, Maddie had been disturbed. About the Wanda, psychologically was also in pressure. This was the hardest thinking she had ever done. And then some pain, headache started to realize in her head, because that was the first moment in her whole life when she thought so deeply on any subject matter. किसी मामले पर यह पहला समय था जब वांडा जो है, मेडी जो है, कभी इतना सीरियसली सोची थी, सीरियस होकर गंभीर होकर न था, कभी उसने सोचा नहीं था. इस वजह से उसके सर में थोड़ा सा दर्द होने लगा. After a long time she reached an important conclusion, and finally she reached at some important conclusion. What was conclusion? We would read in next line. She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. कह रही है वो, उसने सोचा कि फ्रॉम टुडे शी वुड नेवर स्टैंड इन फेवर आर विथ एनीवन ड्यूरिंग द मेकिंग फन एट अदर वन। सोची कि अब आज से मैं किसी के साथ अगर कोई किसी का मजाक भी उड़ा रहा है तो मैं उसके बगल में खड़ा नहीं होंगी। And say nothing again. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up. Now Maddie was deciding that if, देखो एक वर्ड है इसमें, पिकिंग ऑन समवन। टू पिक ऑन समवन का मतलब होता है टू मेक समवन अनकाइंडली, टू ट्रीट समवन अनकाइंडली, हार्शली, और टू मेल ट्रीट, दुर्व्यवहार करना, यू कैन से। तो कह रही है नाउ मैडी इज टेकिंग डिसीजन दैट इफ शी इज प्रेजेंट देयर और शी वुड बी प्रेजेंट एनीवेयर एंड एनीबडी वुड be making fun of someone else, then surely Maddie would stop that, restrict that, oppose that. मेडी कह रहे कि अगर अब मेरे सामने जिंदगी में कभी कोई किसी का मजाक उड़ाया तो अब मैं चुप नहीं रहूंगी, बर्दाश्त नहीं करूंगी, बल्कि उससे लड़ जाऊंगी, उसे मजाक करने को मना करूंगी और कहूंगी कि ऐसा रफ मजाक कभी तुम किसी से मत करो। लेकिन अब वह कभी चुप नहीं रहेगी, यानी वो डिसाइड कर ली है कि वो जूली बन जाएगी। इवन इफ इट मेंट लूजिंग पेगीज फ्रेंडशिप, कह रही है कि वो इस हद तक भी गुजर जाएगी इस दुर्व्यवहार को किसी के साथ होने से रोकने के लिए कि उस कंडीशन में अगर पेगी भी इसकी दुश्मन बन जाए, इफ पेगी वुड बी एनिमी आल्सो एंड दैट रेफरेंस इन दैट कंटीन्यूअस, देन Maddie was ready to make enmity, to create enmity with Peggy, to restrict her from making fun on somebody else. She had no way of making things right with Wanda, but from now on she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. Yeah, Maddie is thinking that now she had lost the chance to make good behavior with the Wanda by repenting or by remorsing. कह रही कि पश्चाताप करके वांडा के साथ अच्छा व्यवहार, उसके दुख को कम करने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है मेडी के पास। क्यों? क्योंकि वांडा है gone to the other city, but Maddie is deciding here, determining here that from today, means that day, from that day, Maddie would never be the tolerance of the other any person by other one. किसी एक के द्वारा किसी दूसरे का टॉलरेंस, मजाक उड़ना, बुरा व्यवहार किसी के साथ होना अब मेडी कभी भी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी। वांडा का तो चांस खो दी, फ्रेंडशिप भी खो दी, फ्रेंड भी गई, दुर्व्यवहार भी हुआ। क्लियर एवरीथिंग? ऑन सैटरडे Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda Petronsky. Both friends Maddie and Peggy were writing letter to send to the Wanda Petronsky. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Wanda she had won. What was being mentioned in the letter? That Wanda had won the driving competition. So behind writing letter sole purpose was to tell her that Wanda had won the driving competition. They told her how pretty her drawings were, and they asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. आगे उन्होंने लिखा कि क्या तुम जहाँ रहती हो वो जगह पसंद है, whether you like that place where you have gone, she had gone, and also they asked a lot of questions related to teachers, surroundings of the Wanda, etc. They had meant to say they were sorry, but indirectly their purpose was, only sole purpose was behind the writing of the letter, that they were expressing indirectly their sorry towards the Wanda Petronsky. But it ended up with their just writing a friendly letter, the kind they would have written to any good friend, and they signed it with lots of X for love. They mailed the letter to Boggins Heights, writing, "Please forward on the envelope." They wrote lot of things in letter. Indirectly, they tried to show that how they were remorseful, sorrowful towards Wanda for their rough behavior. And after writing completion of the letter, they posted it for the Bogin's height address. Days passed, दिन गुजर गए, and there was no answer, no reply from the side of other side, from the side of Wanda. But the letter did not come back. Even letter also did not come back, क्योंकि ऐसा होता है ना, when you send letter to anybody else and if address is not found or that person is not found to whom you have written letter, then same letter returns back to you. जब आप किसी को लेटर लिखते हो, उसके एड्रेस पे भेजते हो और वह एड्रेस नहीं मिलता या वह व्यक्ति नहीं मिलता, तो क्या होता है कि वो लेटर जो आप लिखकर भेजे हो वही लेटर आपको वापस आ जाता है. बट what happened here, they wrote letter, posted it to the Wanda Petronsky at the address of the Bogin's height, and letter was sent by them. It was not clear whether Wanda found letter or not, but it was clear that letter did not return back to the one Peggy and Maddie. So maybe Wanda had received it, so they started to guess that might be Wanda had received the letter. Perhaps she was so hurt and angry she was not going to answer. You could not blame her. Further, they were also guessing that the Wanda was so angry due to their behavior, so she was not agree. Wanda was not agree to give reply to both of the friends. Weeks went by and still Wanda did not answer. हफ्ते बीत गए फिर भी Wanda was not ready to reply. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business. Memory of the Wanda, memory of the rough behavior from the side of Peggy towards the Wanda was fading in the mind of the Peggy. Miss Peggy was anyhow. The memory of the Wanda in the heart, in the mind of the Peggy was withering, fading. The whole business, and Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Wanda. But Maddie used to talk usually about Wanda when she was going to sleep on the bed, defending her from great crowds of girls who were trying to tease her with. Defending means protecting from the crowds of the girls, means from the group of the girls who used to make fun at the Wanda. यानी मेडी जब भी जाती सोने, वांडा के बारे में सोचती, बात करती, और अब वो सपने में या इमेजिनेशन या जो भी मन विचार में बात करती, तो जब बात होती वांडा की तब वह वांडा के फेवर में बोलती, और अगर अदर गर्ल्स जो थी उनके अपोज में बोलती कि नहीं, यू हैड मेड रफ बिहेवियर विद द वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की. टीज मीन्स होता है चिढ़ाना. How many dresses have you got? And before Wanda could press her lips together in a tight line, the way she did before answering, Maddie would cry out, "Stop!" Then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. And during that conversation, everybody used to realize repentance, sorry for their rough behavior. यानी जब मेडी ऐसी बात होती करती और अंत में कितने ड्रेसेस हैं, क्या हैं, ये सब चीजें कहती कि ऐसे पूछा जाता था. और जब वांडा जो रिप्लाई देती, उस रिप्लाई को बता करके कहती कि रिप्लाई में वांडा कहती कि 100 ड्रेसेस हैं मेरे. और उसके बाद मेडी कहती कि जब 100 ड्रेसेस के बाद जब वो आगे बढ़ती तो लोग पीछे क्या करते, तो अब वहां पे लोग हंसते थे, तो वो हंसना ना करके कहती कि शर्म करो, स्टॉप करो, ये रफ बिहेवियर है, किसी का मजाक बनाकर उसके पीछे हंसना. और इस तरह से मेडी वांडा के फेवर में अक्सर बोला करती थी, अपने अदर फ्रेंड्स को डांटा बोला करती थी कि यू ऑल हैव कमिटेड रफ बिहेवियर विद द, और यू ऑल हैव बिहेव्ड इन रफली मैनर विद द वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की. Now it was Christmas time and there was snow on the ground. Christmas bells and the small tree decorated the classroom. On the last day of school before the holidays, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. On the day of Christmas, what happened? Everyone was busy in cheerfulness, in pleasant environment, in festival, great festival on the Christmas. But meanwhile, teacher received a letter. The class letter she had received that morning. And the teacher received a letter and showed to the whole class. Took letter to the class and showed. यू रिमेम्बर वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की, टीचर से, टीचर कहती हैं कि क्या तुम लोगों को याद है वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की, द गिफ्टेड लिटिल आर्टिस्ट हु वोन द ड्राइंग कॉन्टेस्ट, वेल शी हैज रिटेन मी, खैर उसने लिखा है, व्हाट हैज रिटेन, and I am glad to know where she lives. And teacher is saying that now she had come to know that where did Wanda live. So she was happy knowing the address of the Wanda. Who was happy? The teacher. Because now I can send her medal. Now teacher is happy. And teacher is saying that now she will send the winning competition medal at the address of the Wanda Petronsky. I want to read the letter to you. Teacher is saying that now she wanted to make listen to make read the letter, to make listen the letter by reading to the all students of the class 13, रूम नंबर 13 क्लास जो था, रूम नंबर 13, उसके सभी लोगों को टीचर लाउडली पढ़कर वह लेटर सुनाना चाहती थी. The class sat up with a sudden interest and listened intently. Intently means interestingly, deep keen desire, interest you can say, गहरी लालसा और इच्छा, बड़ी उत्सुकता से, जोश में, eagerly लोग सुनने लगे लेटर. What was written? Read here. Dear Miss Mason, प्यारी प्यारी respected madam जी, how are you and room 13? Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses because in my new house I have 100 new ones all lined up in my closet. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress with the red trimming and her friend Maddie to have the blue one for Christmas. I miss that school and my new teacher does not equalize with you. Merry Christmas to you and everyone. Yours truly, Wanda Petronsky. In that letter it was written from the side of Wanda that first of all she was missing the whole school, and also Wanda had wished welfare for the madam and the whole classroom number 13, and further she had donated the whole 100 dresses painting to the whole classroom, particularly 2 paintings for the Maddie and Peggy on the occasion of the Christmas. And further she wrote that she was missing her teacher in class 13, particularly her teacher because new teacher was not same as her old teacher Mrs. Mason was. वो लिखी थी कि आप जितनी अच्छी हैं उतनी अच्छी न्यू टीचर नहीं है मैडम, इसलिए मैं आपको मिस करती हूँ, स्कूल को भी मिस करती हूँ, जो फ्रेंड हैं पुराने उनको भी मिस करती हूँ, रूम नंबर 13 को भी मिस करती हूँ, और जो ड्रेसेस हैं वो कह दीजिएगा कि सभी बच्चे अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स मेरे रख लेंगे. मेडी और पेगी के बारे में वो कही कि वो अलग अलग ड्रेस ये पार्टिकुलर ड्रेस ले लेंगी, क्योंकि अब उसके पास 100 न्यू ड्रेसेस हैं जो कि उसके क्लोसेट में पड़े हुए हैं. On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drivings very carefully. All the houses had wreaths and holly in the windows. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were staked. Staked means collected. And in the window, candy, peppermint sticks, and cornucopias of shiny, transparent paper were strung. Strung होता है. The air smelled like Christmas and lights shining everywhere reflected different colors on the snow. This was the description of the Christmas evening, that is the decorated evening. Everywhere was decoration. Some decorated words has been used here in this passage. Means whole environment was pleasant. पूरा वातावरण सुखनुमा खुशनुमा था, क्रिसमस का त्योहार था. Boy, said Peggy, this shows she really likes us. पेगी बोली कि उसका यह व्यवहार ऐसा लगता है कि उसे अच्छा लगता था हमारे साइड से. It shows she got our letter and this is her way of saying that everything is all right. पेगी कह रही है कि जिस बिहेवियर में उसने लिखा है उससे यह शो होता है, उससे यह मालूम पड़ता है कि वह खुश थी, और जो है हर एक चीज वो कह रही है कि कोई बुरा नहीं हुआ उसके साथ, वह खुश है और उसे कोई दिक्कत व्यवहार से नहीं थी. सभी फ्रेंडों में ऐसा होता है. That was the consolating word from the side of Peggy towards the Wanda. एंड दैट्स दैट, एंड यही सब कुछ है. I hope so, said Maddie sadly. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight-lipped Polish girl again and could not ever really make things right between them. Again, remorseful words from the side of Maddie because she was knowing very well that now she could do nothing. Everything has passed, time has passed, and when once time gone, then gone, never to return back. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flower wallpaper in the bedroom. She took painting from the school, carried to the home, and pinned that picture in her room. The shabby room came alive. Shabby means होता है धूल गर्द से पड़ा हुआ, एक तरह से डेड लाइक, मतलब धूल गर्द ऐसा लग रहा है कि कितना मकड़जाल हो, उसमें कोई रहता ना हो. But when Maddie pinned that picture painting in her room, then the whole room came to alive. It was like divine. From the brilliancy of the colors, Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway. I think this passage is clear. There is no need to make understand to explain more. Very simple words are there. Tears blurred her eyes. BLURR. ब्लर मीन्स होता है धूमिल सा होना, हल्का हल्का दिखना या होना. तो कह रहा है कि यहाँ ब्लर का मतलब होता है आंख में आंसू भर जाना. टीयर्स ब्लर इनटू हर आईज एंड gazed for a long time at the picture, and with the filled eyes with the tears, Maddie continuously gazed, that is looked at on the painting continuously for some time. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes. Hastily means quickly, in अफरा तफरी जल्दबाजी में, and studied in intently means with deep interest she studied. The colors in the dress were so vivid that she had scarcely noticed the face and the head of the drawing. Suddenly, when Maddie started to gaze at the picture, then she found something new, because now till she was unaware of the fact whatever had been mentioned in the picture. पिक्चर में क्या मेंशन किया गया था इनडायरेक्टली और क्या दिखाया गया था, उस पर मेडी पेगी का ध्यान नहीं गया था, पर्टिकुलरली मेडी का. लेकिन जब रूम में लगा करके वो कंटिन्यूस पेंटिंग को देखने लगी, तब उसे कुछ नया दिखा, क्योंकि अब तक तो कलर और उसमें ही व्यस्त थी. लेकिन जब कंटिन्यू देख रही थी, तब उसे लगा कि अरे इसमें तो समथिंग इज न्यू. एंड व्हाट इज न्यू? लुक हियर. Scattered the face and head of the drawing, but it looked like her. And when she took care on the painting, then she found that in painting there was the picture, and that picture, that photograph, that scratch of the personality of the Maddie. वो जो पिक्चर में पर्सनालिटी बनाई गई थी, वो तो पेगी की पर्सनालिटी थी, यानी एक तरह से पेगी का फोटो, पेगी का स्क्रैच में उसने वांडा ने बनाया था. नॉट पेगी, सॉरी, मेडी का. Maddie, it really looked like her own mouth. Why it really looked like her own self? Wanda had really drawn this for her. Excitedly, she ran over to Peggy's, and then Maddie came to know this fact. How the excellent artist Wanda was. She found that her picture had been scratched by Wanda in that painting. Then hurriedly she ran to the Peggy. तब वह तेजी से पेगी की तरफ भाग के गई. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. कहेगी Peg, मुझे अपनी पिक्चर दिखाओ. What is the matter? asked Peggy as they clattered up to her room where Wanda. Clatter में होता है चहलकदमी, तेजी से घबराहट में तेजी से दौड़, एक झटके से चलकर कहीं जाना. Clattered up to her room where Wanda's drawing was lying face down on the bed. Maddie carefully raised it. Now entering into the room of the Peggy, Maddie took that picture in her hand carefully. Look, she drew you, that's you. And Maddie told that, look Peggy, in picture, in your painting which has been given by Wanda to you, in that picture Wanda had scratched, created your figure in this painting. Look, she drew you, that's you, she exclaimed, and the head and face of this picture did look like Peggy. और हेड और फेस जो है तो तुम्हारी पेगी की तरह दिख रहा है. इसलिए देखो, वांडा वाज द मोस्ट स्किल्ड आर्टिस्ट ऑफ आवर क्लास, ऑफ आवर ग्रुप. व्हाट डिड आई से, सैड पेगी, शी मस्ट हैव रियली लाइक्ड अस एनीवे. अब पेगी करेगी, अब मैंने तुमसे क्या कहा? व्हाट डिड आई से, अरे वो हम कर दी थी, हमारी फ्रेंड थी, हमारे मजाक से वो दुखी नहीं थी। ये कौन टपक गया बीच में, थोड़ा रुके रहो। क्योंकि सी मस्ट हैव लाइक, यस सी मस्ट हैव एग्रीड मिड्डी। नाउ मिड्डी भी खुश थी कि हाँ हाँ जरूर वह खुश थी हमसे। एंड सी blinked away the tears that came every time she thought of Wanda standing alone in that sunny spot in the schoolyard looking stolidly over at the group of laughing girls after she had said sure 100 of them are lined up. Through this way this lesson completes. अब मैडी और पेगी जो है अपने आंख के आंसू पोंछ लिए, क्योंकि अब उन्हें स्वेर था कि वांडा उनकी फ्रेंड थी, अभी भी उनके बिहेवियर को लाइक करती थी, वह दुखी नहीं थी। और आंसू क्यों थे? क्योंकि उन दोनों को पता था कि कैसे धूप में हम लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे, और चली जाती थी, कहती थी 100 डेसेज, और जब हम लोग हंसते थे तो हम लोग की तरफ थोड़ा सा देखती थी, और देखने के बाद फिर चली जाती थी चुपचाप। लेकिन अब वह सब कुछ मिट चुका था, क्योंकि वांडा एक तो ड्राइविंग कंपटीशन जीत चुकी थी, दूसरी एक अच्छी जगह पहुंच गई थी, और तीसरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सबसे बड़ी बात कि वांडा जो थी वह दुखी नहीं थी, वांडा इनको एज अ फ्रेंड लाइक करती थी। Through this way this lesson completes. If you have any doubt then ask me, otherwise I am going to say bye. जो टेस्ट है आपका, टेस्ट चलने वाला है, अब होने जा रहा है, तो इसलिए अब